rice and fried chicken for our main meal. While for our nourishing drink, we are here with banana and milk smoothie. This is the blended products of banana and milk. Shredded banana, a bunch of banana, and coconut cream for more flavors. For extra flavors. So for the rice, jollof rice and milk. Okay, this is the chicken. Spices, and we're still adding more spices to bring out the flavor. These are tomatoes for the stew, then our crayfish, then onion, granite oil for the frying of the onion, then our rice, which will be parboiled, and our sweet corn for extra vegetables. And this is all we have now. Our garlic for flavors, garlic for seasoning, and so on and so forth. Okay. Let me get some camera. Okay. Right here, then you put some pepper for the stew. My dad is welcome to see my sugar. Because if I taste this is the cooking of SSO for not practical. And right here we have fried chicken with jollof rice and coleslaw. And for our drink, this is the nourishing drink in which what we added is banana, a bunch of banana, and the coconut flavored milk. Thank you.